Welcome to my channel latest tech info. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and do hit the bell icon for regular updates.
Realme1 and Realme U1 will soon get dark mode in the new update. Realme is now launching a new update for Realme1 and Realme U1, and the main feature of the new update is the dark mode in Realme1 and Realme U1, and this is a great surprise for the Realme users this Diwali. Last month the company announced that they will bring dark mode in their new update, and it now looks like the company is keeping its promise. According to the company, new update has already reached 5% of its users. Realme1 users will get CPH1861X_11_C.45 update, and the Realme U1 users will get RMX1831X_11_C.15 update, and this update will bring dark mode in these Realme devices and will reach all the users within a week at most. With the addition to the dark mode, both the devices will get a new security patch and some performance updates. The new update will bring Realme Laboratory, Google's digital well-being, which is a redesigned notification center style, and optimizations for better user interface along with the other things. After installing the new update, the users will be able to enable dark mode in the background of the UI and also at the background of the Realme apps. As the dark mode is meant to be easier on the eyes and also reduce battery drainage in OLED devices, but Realme1 and Realme U1 devices will not be able to get the benefit of this advantage. Realme is also expected to bring dark mode in all the coming devices. The company will launch Realme X2 in India next month, and Realme XT730G is planned for the December release.